In this short tutorial video, let me show you how to use DeepSeek for job applications. If your job application is taking forever, let me show you how to use DeepSeek to create a tailored resume and cover letter in minutes. Most of the generic applications are rejected, so the key here is to create a customization. DeepSeek can analyze your job description and help you highlight exactly what your employers want to see. So here I'll give you an example prompt that you can copy and customize for yourself, whatever the job title that you're aiming for. So as you can see, first thing you need to do is ask DeepSeek to act as a career coach. Secondly, you need to add in your job role at the company that you're trying to apply for. Next, you need to add in a job description. So you can just copy and paste this from the company that you're trying to apply to. And then you need to add in your background. Make sure your background is detailed and accurate so that it can create a professional resume as well as a cover letter that suits you the best. Lastly, once you've given your background and your job description, you need to tell exactly what you need. So here you can add in these sections such as the summary highlight, a few bullet points highlighting your experience, the keywords that you might need if the job application is checked via software, and also ask it for a cover letter. If you add in this simple prompt, it will generate a detailed cover letter and a job resume so that you can add it and customize it however you want. Now, along with one answer, it has given me options as well so that I can select from the one that I like. If you don't get options, you can ask for options in different tones that you may need. This way you can customize your resume and remove or add in some things that may be needed. So as you can see, using this prompt and using DeepSeek, you can generate an entire resume and a cover letter in minutes. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.